Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. We are starting off with a big announcement from the world of space exploration. NASA's Northwest Earth and Space Science Pathways project has just concluded its annual Rhodes Challenge, where students from upper elementary, middle, and high school work together on mission-inspired activities that mirror the ways NASA scientists and engineers investigate planetary environments. This year's challenge was all about Venus, and students had to complete 8 mission objectives focused on science, engineering, teamwork, and communication. The challenge saw teams from all over the country participate, with many students attending in person, hub events hosted by partner institutions. These events gave teens the opportunity to showcase their work, exchange ideas with peers, and interact with mentors. The top teams were recognized for their outstanding participation and exemplary mission development logs, and we congratulate them on their achievement. But that's not all. We also have some exciting news about a major acquisition in the space industry. Rocket Lab has just announced its plans to acquire Planetary Systems Corporation, a leading provider of satellite separation systems. This move is expected to enhance Rocket Lab's capabilities and provide more opportunities for satellite launches. And if you're interested in learning more about NASA's Science Activation Portfolio, which connects learners with authentic NASA science experiences, you can check out their website for more information. They have a range of resources and activities available for educators, families, and community organizations. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into the latest news from space, and it's been an exciting week. Let's start with a fascinating story about the moon. NASA is seeking input from industry experts to accelerate lunar surface technologies. The goal is to develop key systems that will support long-term exploration of the moon. This includes innovative solutions for surface power, in situ resource utilization, advanced manufacturing, and nanomaterials production. Imagine being able to harness resources directly from the lunar surface, like water and oxygen, to fuel future missions. Or picture a reliable and efficient power system that can sustain a human presence on the moon for extended periods. These are just a few examples of the cutting-edge technologies NASA is looking to develop with the help of industry partners. The Lunar Enabling Infrastructure Accelerator is an effort to bring together the best minds in the business to design, develop, and test these innovative solutions. The draft solicitation is now open for review and comment, and NASA is encouraging industry experts to provide feedback on the requirements, schedules, and evaluation approaches. This is a crucial step towards establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon and beyond. By working together with industry partners, NASA can unlock new technologies that will enable us to explore the lunar surface and the cislunar region in ways we never thought possible. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, it's exciting to think about what the future holds. From lunar bases to deep space missions, the possibilities are endless. And with collaborations like the Lunar Enabling Infrastructure Accelerator, we're one step closer to making those possibilities a reality. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible advancements being made right here on Earth, particularly in the realm of flight technology. Imagine being able to explore the vastness of space and return safely to our planet, or envisioning aircraft that can maneuver with unprecedented agility and stealth. These are not just fantasies of science fiction. They're becoming realities thanks to the tireless efforts of scientists and engineers at institutions like NASA's Langley Research Center. For decades, these facilities have played critical roles in testing aircraft designs, ensuring safety, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in flight. From the early days of biplanes to the development of supersonic jets and even components for space exploration, like the aeroshell for NASA's Dragonfly mission to Titan, Saturn's largest moon, these tunnels have been instrumental. The 12-foot low-speed tunnel, with its rich history spanning over 86 years, has supported major projects that have transformed aviation. It saw the transition from biplanes to monoplanes, the development of revolutionary aircraft designs like the X-29 and the X-31 enhanced fighter maneuverability demonstrator, and more recently, the testing of the X-59 quiet supersonic research aircraft. Each of these advancements has not only improved aviation technology, but has also paved the way for safer, more efficient travel. Meanwhile, the 20-foot vertical spin tunnel has been a cornerstone in studying aircraft stall and spin characteristics, significantly contributing to aviation safety. By simulating how aircraft behave during spins, researchers have been able to design safer planes and systems, reducing the risk of deadly accidents. Its impact on commercial aviation, military aircraft development, and even space missions cannot be overstated. But as we look to the future, it's exciting to note that the legacy of these tunnels will live on through the Flight Dynamics Research Facility, a new era in flight research. The FDRF is not just a continuation of the work done by its predecessors, it represents a leap forward in technology and capability. By repurposing equipment from the old tunnels, NASA has reduced costs and development time, ensuring that the expertise and knowledge gained over decades are not lost but built upon. As NASA embarks on ambitious missions like returning astronauts to the moon through the Artemis program, facilities like the FDRF will be crucial. They'll play a vital role in testing technologies for safe entry, descent, and landing back on Earth. Moreover, research within the FDRF will support science missions to planets and moons with atmospheres, further expanding our understanding of the solar system. Innovation is about building on the past while looking towards the future, and that's exactly what the team at NASA's Langley Research Center is doing. As we continue to push the boundaries of flight and space exploration, it's a reminder that the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.